Good morning, everybody. Today's a good day. Today we are feeding the homeless. We are at Island's Best Kitchen, so I'm gonna let Chance take over and let him tell you.
Good morning, beautiful people. I just messed up again. Yo, can I hold the camera? I think it's better if I hold the camera like you just did. Turned around.
Yeah, that's better. All right, cool.
I can see your. All right, now I can do it. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Mark Chance here at Island's Best. Today we're about to feed the homeless. Look out for us. We're finna hit Central Boyle Street. Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Mark Chance here at Island's Best Kitchen. Today we're gonna feed the I know. Good morning, beautiful people. It's your boy Mark Chance here at Island's Best Kitchen. We're about to feed the homeless people today. We're giving back to our community. Make sure you guys follow hashtag the Give Back Project.
So the plan for today is giving back. So we're going in the kitchen. So it's not like crazy food that we're cooking. They're cooking. So they have the white rice, they have jerk mild chicken, and then they have I think it's barbecue chicken, making mashed potatoes right now. And yeah, this is basically about it. So I think one thing they did, one thing was messed up. We need more plates, we need more food, but this is the first time that that they're doing it. Island's Best Kitchen. So there'll be another one, and we're gonna see how it goes. So it's always good to give back. Nobody's asking for anything out of it. We just come together and just feed the community, and yeah, just do things the right way. Oh yeah, and there's coleslaw here. It's not a spicy coleslaw, it's regular coleslaw, and everything is.
We got coleslaw, we got jerk,
We got chicken.
we got rice, we got it all. Hashtag Give Back.
And one thing with black people, don't know time. There's supposed to be more people here, and people are still sleeping. People are still sleeping. I know you guys are gonna see this video. You guys are supposed to be here 8 o'clock. What time is it now?
It's almost 11 now.
It's 10:38 and you guys are still in bed? Come on, man. You guys gotta get up. Let's go.
Let's go, mama. Cook it up, mom. Cook it up, mom. That's my mom over there, you know. Don't get twisted. I know how to cook too. I actually do.
I believe you. Alright, I had a wrap around my neck, so I'll put it halfway. You gonna hold it for me?
So this is the dilemma. We're just waiting on rice to cook. All the white rice is done. Cooking rice and peas. Yeah, I think they might cook more white rice. So because this is the first time everyone's doing it, it's like now we understand like we need a lot more, and we need to start cooking from maybe 5 o'clock in the morning next time to be done for like 11 o'clock. So yeah.
We're late. Black people are always late, so what's the difference? They don't know time.
Black people don't know time for real.
I've been here since 7 o'clock.
So like legitly, like next time we do this, we have to start cooking from like 4 o'clock in the morning to be ready for like 10, 11 o'clock.
Yes, 7. I've been here for 7.
Or like 7 o'clock, so yeah. It's our first time, so yeah. Now we know, and we need a lot more food, like a lot more food. Like 100 food is nothing. It's maybe like 200 food. There's a lot of people. So, yeah.
I told him I do the rice, but he says no, he wants his not to. Because I was in from 7 o'clock, I could have put it on, finished it already. But I leave fast.
That's how it goes, yo, when you have cooks clashing in one kitchen. But it's all love. We're all gonna get it done. So yeah. We'll be back.
Haitian griot.
Sauce bon griot.
Famous dish right here. There you go, Mom.
Got it beans, got it carrot, and sauce, everything. That's nice. So delicious.
This is Jamaican jerk chicken, so we're making jerk chicken. And I'm making the plain rice today. So this is just plain white rice to give them a choice of whether they want rice and peas or plain rice. And Mom's making, can turn to Mom now. Mom's doing the
Carrot, beans, and then chicken, creole,
and pork.
special, very good chai, you see? Yeah. Very, very shy good. It smells good, tastes good.
And we take pride in what we do to make sure it's tasty. Right, Mom?
That's why I want it. And potato salad, not finished yet, but I do now, you know.
They did one potato salad.
Yeah. Like make beans, rice beans, and carrot.
Potato salad.
Right now we got one van. We got food in here. It's probably like over 100 in there.
Everybody back up a little bit. We're gonna make a line.
Here you go, bro.
Can you give that old man with no legs?
Oh, I think someone's going around passing food for them. Yeah.
So we just finished over here and now we're gonna go to Hope Mission on the other side. I'm not gonna show anyone's face because we're not here to show anyone's face, but we're just showing you what we're doing out here. So we'll be back. Yeah, we're all out of food.
Well out. Well, we're gonna go reload then. Y'all know where to find us. Island's Best Kitchen, baby. Let's go.
So like basically we ran out of food. 350 food is done and we're gonna go get another 200 food and then we're gonna come back and do it again.
Hey,
It's crazy.
hey, people said don't record this, but we gotta record this because you know why? We need to show people. The people need to do shit like we do. We need to create awareness. You feel me? What's up?
Wait, I want to get in there.
Make sure you try the food. What's your name?
My hair.
It looks good.
It doesn't even look good.
You look like a model. Hey, you know,
Some of the best jerk chicken out here for the hood.
I think everybody should take a time out of the year, out of the month, to feed the less fortunate. You know, it's the right thing to do.
Hey guys, so we're going on to our last stop. I think we hit 200 meals, did we? So I think we got I'm pretty sure we almost got 100 out. I think we're almost hitting 200 here. So today was a very successful day. We're loading up the last of our stuff and doing our last mission. And yeah, God bless you guys. Thank you guys for the turnout. Thank you, Chance, for thinking of this and actually coming out and helping support the community. It's amazing what you're doing. So we're all here to support and give love. And yeah, let's get it.
But we need take drinks too as well, right?
Yeah, give them some drinks too.
Here, just take this case of water.
Take the case of water.
And cutlery. Yeah, and you folks all here right now. Grab them. There you go.
Thank you so much.
And then we'll pass us some Cokes as well. Do you have some? Can I have one more? Yeah, of course.
Yeah, for my heart.
Man, the only thing I can say is just be grateful for everything you have in life. Cause some people, they really don't got it like that. They really don't. So me, like, yeah, it's kind of emotional. Like, I know what it is, but when you're like hands-on with it, it's different, yo. So, you know, just, that's crazy. Everybody just needs a chance in life. That's it. It's crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna
Tell him how much you weigh, boy. He's sitting at 50 pounds. He's about 6 months years old. I mean, he's about 6 months. He's about 6 months sitting at 60 pounds. Look at the muscles. Look at the definition.
Obese weather is good.
Yeah?
It's like Mexico, but in Canada.
So what we doing?
So just want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, for me this is kind of an emotional video, but just doing it is good though. But I'll let Chance finish it off.
So like I said, yo, we had to record this, you know? You guys have to get out there and do the same thing too. Give back to your communities. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Island's Best Kitchen.
Oh yeah, this is the first one, so
Oh, in fact, the second one's gonna be crazy, like crazy. We're gonna give duffel bags with boxers, pants, shoes, all that goodies, bro. I'm telling you.
we gotta cook a lot more food.
A lot more food.
It takes a lot of food to feed a lot of people.
A lot more food. So, yo, if you guys wanna make a donation, I'm gonna start like a GoFundMe page so you guys can donate. You know what I mean?
The streets gotta eat, man.
The streets gotta eat. We gotta give back, like for real. We gotta heal the world. Heal the world, bro.
With good energy.
Shout out to Tim Hortons, Canada brand. The chocolate donut is lit. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. And always stay blessed and thank God for everything you have. Remember that.
Right.
All love.
Yo, these people are crazy. They're grateful as fuck, you know?
You
We
can't-
need to be like
bro.
that.
You can't swear on YouTube because they'll
shit,
block the
my bad.
video.
These people are hella grateful. Like they're so grateful. Like yo, they're awesome human beings. Awesome. Everybody needs to be like this, man. Heal the world.
Yes.
Island's Best Kitchen all day. Peace.